Square Enix develops and sells entertainment software for online games extensively use MySQL. We participated beta program of MySQL Database Service Analytics Engine because we are interested in performance of analytic queries on data of an online game. MySQL Database Service Analytics Engine is up to 500 times faster than our current version of MySQL, and it's easy to use because we can use same queries running on our current environment and no ETL. We are very excited about this service.